G'day and welcome to the flat-sided spider headside with Jenny Brandis. This headside is used in the Shiny Bookmark, which is free, Marie Bookmark 2, Mirror Length and the Kununurra Bookmark. Let's look at where the start joins the fan and where the threads are going. We have the two pairs of passives. The inner pair will go to the second leg of the spider and the other pair will continue through the cloth stitch edge. There will be a new pair added here and it will run through the cloth stitch edge. There will always be at least two pairs of passives in the cloth stitch edge. The new pair here will become the first spider leg. At this point we have three pairs of passives and the weaver pair on the right and a new pair to link in the four incoming pairs. Step 1. Incoming pairs. Cross, twist, put up the pin, cross, twist, bring in the new pair, cross, twist, put up the pin, cross, twist, bring in the new pair, cross, twist, put up the pin, cross, twist, bring in the corner pair, cross, twist, put up the pin, cross, twist, lay the left pair aside. Step 2. The cloth stitch edge. Move the spider legs aside and ease down the edge pairs. We have added a new pair at the outside pin, giving a total of 3 pairs of passives. Next we add the last pair at the first edge spider leg. Cross stitch through the passives to the inner pin. Add 2 twists to the weaver pair and put up the pin. Add the new pair and lay it aside. Cross stitch through the passives to the outside pin. Add 2 twists and put up the pin. Cross stitch back through the passives to the second edge spider leg, put up the pin and close the pin with cross stitch. Lay the edge pairs aside. Step 3. The top of the spider. Add 3 twists to each of the 5 leg pairs. Cross stitch the 3 left legs through the other 2 legs. Put up the pin and tension. Step 4. Close the spider. Cross stitch the 3 right legs through the other 2 legs. Add 3 twists to all leg pairs. Step 5. Close the edge. Cross stitch the head side, bringing in the 2 outside spider legs. Work to the joining pin, put up the pin, lay the pairs aside. Step 6. Close the spider. Half stitch, pin, half stitch to close the spider. Step 7. Inner pin twice. Join the spider and edge with a cloth stitch. Put up the pin and close the pin with cloth stitch. Cloth stitch back to the edge inner pin. We will use this pin twice. Add 2 twists to the weaver pair. Wrap the pair over and around that pin. Tension and lay the edge pairs aside. This brings us back to step 2 for the next fan.